Hello everyone. First write the letter A, U and then again A. Now join the lines like this and make its hairs, make its ears, eyes, nose and mouth. Make its dress like this. Now make its pant. Now we'll be making the hands of the man or the boy and then we'll be making the balloon in its hands. Draw the circle like this and the string of the balloons, color it and it's done. Next we'll be making a girl. So draw the U and then we'll be making its ears and hat on the head. Draw its hairs, eyes, nose and mouth. Now make its hairs on the sides, make its braids. Now we'll be making its body. Make the dress and the frock she's wearing like this. You can make the legs and hands on the sides like this. Draw her hands and then we'll be coloring it as per your choice like this. You can color it and it's done. Next, we'll be drawing the hairs of the girl. Now make its face and ears. Complete the hairs like this. Now we'll be making a crown on the head as shown in the video. Now we'll be making its dress like this. Now after that, we'll be making the frock or the gown of the princess like this. Make its dress patterns, color it, make its eyes, nose and mouth, make its legs, make its hands and it's done. Next we'll be making an astronaut. So make the circle like this. Now we'll be completing its body. So draw the lines like this, make its hands. Now we'll be cutting the legs of it like this. To make the legs, we'll be making the line in the between. Now we'll be making the ears of it like this. Make a flag on its hand and it's ready. Next we'll be making a chef. So draw U letter like this. Now make its ears. Now after that, make a carrot like shape on its head like this. So make the leaves of the carrot as well. Now we'll be coloring, or first we'll be making its face. Draw its eyes, nose and mouth. Make its hairs like this. Now complete its body. Draw the lines like this to make its body as shown in the video. Next we'll be making a boy. So first make a U letter like this. Make its ears like this on the sides. Now we'll be making the hat on the head of it. So hat will be of watermelon theme. So now make the U like shape to make the hairs. Draw its eyes, nose and mouth. Now we'll be making its body. Draw its hands like this. Now we'll be making the lines on the top like this over the head or the hat you can say. Next, we will be writing a digit or letter K. Then we'll be coloring it like this. Now make the hairs of the girl or the boy. Now make its ears, nose, mouth. Make its hands and legs. Next, we'll be making the bird near the boy or a girl like this. Make the birds as shown in the video. You can color it and it's ready. Next, we'll be making the digit 2 like this and then a 3 on it. Now draw the lines, write a 4 digit on the side. Now join the lines to make the face like this. Now we'll be writing a letter or digit 18 and then draw the lines and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.